It's Manon's birthday month, and this is how we celebrate. 11 days in Puerto Rico. We're gonna check out everything there is to see. It's 10:30 at night.
Bum, bum, bum.
What are you guys looking forward to? Link?
Beach.
What's going on, Leiden?
I'm tired. It's 10:47. 10:48.
So aren't you supposed to be on a plane?
Yeah. I'm a turtle.
You're a turtle? You need to grow into that shell.
It's too heavy for me. I'm about to face planet.
We're just getting our first view of the island, and there's a lot of destruction here still. Like the trees are still all blown out and a bunch of the beaches are closed, but you can see like everywhere where they had a flat roof, it's basically gone. Flat roofs are no good for hurricanes, I guess. Oh, but that still looks really pretty.
Look at the roof of this place.
Holy cow. The trees all look kind of weathered and beat down. Those stoplights.
You said all the power lines fell down?
Pretty much all the power lines fell down. So here they are hanging up the power lines. It's another power line crew. You guys want to know where we're going? There's this place called Casa Kabui.
Kabui, 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 kabui.
It's called an eco lodge, and it's up in the rainforest. So Puerto Rico has the only rainforest in the United States. During the big hurricane, it like destroyed the canopy of the rainforest. The canopy is like the top like greenery that kind of like protects the rainforest.
Like the umbrella.
Like the umbrella, right. So it's like the umbrella just got like lifted off and destroyed.
Did you let go of it and then the wind took it away?
Like Mary Poppins. I called Casa Kabui, and I didn't know if they would even answer or if they were out of business or whatever. And the guy who answered the phone, his name was Matthew, and he was stoked about us coming to visit him. But he did give me a few warnings. He said, "Are you coming with kids?" And I said, "Yes," because the hurricane blew off all of our handrails. So do you guys think you can be safe? Yeah. The next thing he asked me was, "Are you okay that we don't have any power?" And he said, "You might want to bring some food because there's no food up here." As we're about to hang up, he said, "When you get to the very, very top of the road, there's gonna be some big boulders in the road. It's gonna look like you can't get around, but you can get around, so come on up." But he was so excited to have us. It's like we're the first people that he's had in a long time. You can see behind me the lovely ocean. We're getting close to our destination, and look at that view.
What did you spot, Jake?
I was driving through this destroyed forest. I mean, seriously, it's destroyed. Just look at that real quick. I don't even know what that is. It's some sort of, what is that thing? An oven? I don't know. Some mattresses? That? Some boulders? It's just, there's just stuff everywhere. Trees are down, chaos. But I found this wafer cookie in the road, so I stopped. Do you think it's okay to eat?
You worried you're gonna get hungry up here?
Yeah, I'm gonna hang on to it. I might eat this later. I'm not gonna eat it now. I gotta pay attention to the road. I might drive off a cliff.
Will you break for bar or something?
I break for Matilda.
Oh, I hope you don't.
Okay, Spanish speakers, help me out here. I'm pretty sure this says, "Don't pass, road closed." Our guy told us, just keep going, keep going.
The road's closed.
Should we go for it anyway?
You don't drive off that cliff like this.
I think we found it. Oh yeah. This is it. So when they said they didn't have railings anymore, that's what they meant. They got some. Handrail? No handrail.
No handrail.
Someone jumped off. Handrail, no handrail. That's the railing, yeah, that's where the railing went. We've been told that at the bottom of those trees is a secret swimming hole that used to be hidden until the hurricane blew the tops of the trees off. Time for us to go find it. Go, boy, go!
Look how big those leaves are. It's probably that tall from the ground from here to here.
It's almost as big as me.
This cute little path they made. Looks like no one but us has ever walked on it. That's fake. That's not real. It's like Alice in Wonderland. Look, you can see like the veins going through them. So pretty.
You can just use one of these as like a bed sheet. Manon thinks it's like being in Jumanji with the rock.
You are my Dwayne.
Aw, I'm her Dwayne. I don't think anyone could etch this. Maybe it's some sort of a chemical harden. I don't know. It's cute though. Love you, Nana. I know you can't see anything, but it's like just after 7 o'clock at night and it's pitch black and there's no electricity. So there's just a little solar lamp right over here that you can see. And it is loud and crazy. Well, we're going to bed. Good night.